Welcome to visit the ATP9110-17 field spectroradium instruction video. This video will introduce how to connect the device and collecting leaf reflectance data. Let's start with the main components of the ATP9110-17 field spectroradium. First, this is ATP9110-17, the main host. Next is the convenient handle gun. And the host is equipped with a professional fixed tripod. This is the data cable that connects your computer to your device. This is your movable power supply for outdoor testing. This is a pluggable U-disc. Finally, there are reference whiteboards for measurements. This is the computer used to operate the instruments later. This is the power switch button. This is the connection between the computer and the device. Connect the USB cable to the ATP9110-17 and the computer. Open the software. If device information and parameter information appears, the device is connected. Next, we need to set the integration time. Switch the detection mode to spectral intensity. Set the integration time to exceed 30,000 counts without saturation. Record and select this integration time for the reflectance test. Detection mode selection reflectance. Next, we'll detect the dark field. Cover the handle gun's fiber optic interface with a cap to collect the dark field. Click on Dark Acquisition. Get dark field data. Save dark field data in TXT, CSV, or MB formats from the top left menu. Data can also be imported in these three formats. Next, collect the reference spectrum. Place the whiteboard under sunlight, remove the cap, and collect the data. Click on Reference Acquisition. Get reference spectrum data. Reference spectrum data can also be saved and imported. Finally, collect the reflectance data. Place the leaf on the whiteboard. Keep the fiber optic interface at the same distance as during reference spectrum collection. Click Test to get the leaf's reflectance data. These data reveal insights into the leaf's physiology, health, and environment. These data can also be saved and imported. Other spectral test model of the software can refer to this testing method. Thank you for your time. Hope this helps you with using the ATP9110-17 field spectroradium. Please contact us if any questions.